Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, it's Ashley Janae, and in this video I'm going to be showing y'all how I curated 1 month plus worth of content in 3 days. And if y'all are interested in watching of how I do so, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Hey everybody, it's Friday. It is lock in and time to work. I made it to my hotel. Y'all, the area, I'm in Memorial City in City Center, and the people are out. The girls are out. Everyone looks like they're just enjoying their weekend. I did my makeup. I'm finishing in the hotel. I'm gonna record a makeup tutorial. Planned out everything before this weekend, and I'm gonna put it right here, just basically my agenda. And for me, I like to type out some of the stuff that I'm going to say in my video, because I haven't gotten to where I'm able to speak fluently during an informative video where I'm not rambling and getting sidetracked. So what works best for me is creating a script for my YouTube videos that will basically guide me from the beginning of the end to the video for a month. So the goal is to create a month worth of content, and I'll probably make more because I'm doing a second photo shoot on Tuesday. And when I say photo shoot, I'm not hiring photographers, videographers. This is just solely me and the skills that I've learned throughout YouTube, researching and everything like that. Home tech supplies from Amazon. So that's what I say when I say photo shoot. This weekend, me and Sierra are just gonna help each other out, curate content, and go inside, check in, and give y'all a little mini tour. Then when you walk in, you have a closet that I'm not gonna use. It's me, your girl. Closet. Only here for 2 days, so. The restroom. The reason why I chose this room is because it had a lot of great scenery for content photos, and everything was walking distance and I didn't have to drive anywhere. And 3 is because of this mirror. I'm gonna be able to film so many nice skincare videos in here for y'all. The lighting, everything is great. And then we have a stand-up shower. The toilet is over here, fancy. And then the room. Currently, I'm about to do a beautiful makeup tutorial in front of this window. Do my makeup, find an outfit to put on to start our content day and take these pictures. Okay, so the next clip y'all will see me all did up. Hey y'all, I am back, and as y'all can see, your girl, okay, I clean up nice, super nice. So I'm over here taking a few selfies, and then we're gonna go out and take some pictures. And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, because that's where y'all keep the updated and latest tea and news on your girl. This is the outfit, number 1, that I got from Misguided. And then the product that I'll be promoting today are our black box handbags, and I styled it with this fit. And I'm going to take some product pictures in this today. These are going to be released sometime next week. Aren't these cute? Show y'all my weekend and show y'all how productive that I'm going to be this weekend, and just take y'all along this journey with me. And I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Bags will be available this month, so by the time I post this video they will be up. Shop now. So we'll probably take pictures somewhere over here in this area. We'll see. Okay y'all, so day one is wrapped up for our content photos. Night one, yeah. So wherever you guys are visiting Houston, make sure you book your hotel at the Moran at the city center, the Moraine. But tomorrow I am going to vlog of me actually recording, because you know, like I'm gonna show y'all how I take my pictures and stuff, but today we couldn't do it. We just couldn't. Here has decided we just gonna wait right here. Yeah. If we correlate, so somebody can. Ooh, I'm gonna flip the camera so y'all can see the aesthetic we going for. Y'all see us?
We're so we take a bit.
Yes. It's the next day. Here is the first outfit. I got all of my clothes from Boohoo or Misguided. Never ordering from Boohoo again. That's another story. And it was so hot, so I only got a good few pictures in where I wasn't sweating. Outfit number 2. Outfit number 2. Outfit number 2. I do recommend for y'all to bring a mini makeup bag or a touch-up kit, some napkins if you are in a hot or humid area, and you want to find an area that complements your outfit, complements your aesthetic, and the look that you're going for. Took us about 2 hours, and yeah, we hot, we sweaty. We about to go chill out for a little bit and eat. So thank y'all for watching this day. I'm gonna check back in with y'all and see y'all later. Hey everybody, as y'all can see, I'm back home. We had checked out of our hotel like around 12, and I came home and I got more inventory in. I am going to do a second photo shoot on Tuesday with the new inventory. And yeah, and I am going to do a online business essential haul and just let y'all know what all the stuff that I got and received. Just run a great online successful business, because the stuff that I've been getting over these past weeks has definitely been a great benefit. Necklaces has been a trend lately, so I decided to get those, and handbags have become a great essential too. And one of the handbags that I think is going to be a bestseller is this. Y'all look at this. Sorry y'all. Yeah, so they're having a little party downstairs. But yeah, I seen this on one of the influencers that I follow, and yeah, I decided this bag was cute. It comes in 3 different colors, but I thought this would be a first great color to start off with. One, because these little bags are kind of pricey, so I didn't want to order a lot and it not sell. So this is the first thing. Then I got some earrings. I got some Chanel look-alike earrings with some pearls that I thought would go great with the purse. And I ordered 2 of each for the earrings because my earrings usually sell. So these, and then these marble earrings. Excuse the nail, y'all. Y'all know I be rocking my press-ons, okay? I got some more acrylic earrings. And then I got some initial necklaces, because a lot of people been asking me about the initial necklaces. So I got these, but I only got a couple letters. This is what I'm excited. I'm really excited about the handbags because I'm transitioning into fall. The handbags are not going to be uploaded to the site until fall season. Now this was unique because this is a fanny pack slash purse. So I thought this was real cute. real stylish. I think these are going to be a very great sale. So you have the chain if you want to wear it as a purse, and then you have this one if you want to wear it as a belt. Hey everyone, it's currently Monday, August 17th. I'm currently on my way to class, but I just want to make sure that I'm constantly keeping y'all updated with everything. So I'm always constantly dropping new items. I just got some new inventory in, as y'all seen in the last clip, and I just want to make sure that I am pushing out any old inventory that may not be selling as well as some of my new styles, and just making sure that I am making a return and meeting my month's goal. And honestly, this month I usually create a month's goal, and then every single day I have to make a certain amount of money so I'll be able to reach the month's goal. And I currently still have not done that, but I know how much money that I want to make in my business this month. And I just think for me, when I don't break it down and when I don't be detailed, I don't meet my goal. But yeah, that's it. I was just checking in with y'all, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey everyone, it's August 18th. It's Tuesday, and today is the last day of content pictures. All right, we are done with my makeup. This is the style that I'm going to be wearing today. We got some new earrings from Mobile Essentials. Cute. And I'm about to change it to my first fit. Head to our first and only location because it's hot, and I gotta drop my sister off for work at 5. The mess on the bed is the outfits, and let's get into it. These earrings will be available on mobileessentials.com. They will be available in pink and red. They so high quality, y'all. Check me out. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna update y'all when we get to the place. Be down the street. New location, new pictures. These pictures are dedicated towards my new items that I'm going to be launching for my fall collection, and it's great to start early and plan early to get your audience suspense, ready, and prepared to shop. And I'm also going to be promoting a few items that's currently on my site for my Instagram and my website. And it's always great to get pictures in early so you'll have time and be prepared. So basically, the key to create and curate a lot of content is to switch up accessories, switch up your lipstick, switch up your anything that just add on. You can't do outfit changes. Grab jackets, shoes. I should have got me a little fan. All right, y'all, so I'm going to do at least 4 outfit changes, and then I'm at the whole because y'all kind of get the gist of what I'm doing. So I will see y'all later when the photo shoot is done. Hey everyone, so basically we took about 2 hours for the shoot. So if y'all have the patience to sit out in the heat, change outfits in your car, ask for the restaurants around you for a cup of water so you can stay cool, this is it for you. You can do this. You can do this, okay? I'm going to get home, basically close out this vlog, and I'm going to be it for the day. So we'll talk to you guys later. Before we end this vlog, I want to show y'all the scheduled posts that I have scheduled already. If y'all want to see how I scheduled these posts, check out my previous vlog. I was also linking in the description box below. And I started posting on August 17th. The photo shoot ended on August 18th, but
August 17th was a beginning of a new week, and as you can see, I implemented old photos, client photos, and any useful photos you have circulating in your phone that you think will benefit your brand, post them. If they're good quality, post them. And I based my photos on the layout on my Instagram. And what I like about these scheduling apps on Planonly is you're able to view how your Instagram will look before you actually post the pictures. And I post 3 times a day at a certain time based on my analytics. And I took some photos on my photography softbox. I made some posts on Canva, and you just want to make sure that you post as however many times that you think that will be beneficial for your brand. I also use the planning tool Later. I actually pay for Later monthly. I think it's a great tool. You can upload videos on here, schedule stuff on your story, and we started scheduling our content on August 17th. And as you can see, I have it scheduled all the way to September 17th. And I schedule my posts based on when certain items are going to be released. I schedule my posts based on certain events that may be happening, certain holidays, certain promotions, and you want to make sure you planning ahead so you won't be stressed out trying to come up with last minute things, and it just creates a smoother process for you. I created my Labor Day sale 2-3 weeks ahead of Labor Day, and it's great because you don't have to worry about doing last minute things. Everything is going to be planned. It's this quote that I read. It said, "Fail to plan, plan to fail." And it makes sense because when I don't plan for my business, I don't get the great results. And I can say that September has been a really great month for me because I planned ahead and I was ready, I was prepared, and preparation is key to a successful brand, a successful business, or anything that you are doing in life. Preparation is always the answer.
Present Ashley here. I forgot to close out the vlog, but I'm closing it out now. Insert a few of the pictures, basically the finished product of some of the pictures that I took after. Content pictures didn't just stop there. I take product pictures every single day, and I'll just kind of list some of the product pictures that I take on my own without me going to an actual location to take pictures. I take product pictures in the comfort of my own home, out in my backyard. Any creative ideas that I get, I make sure that I do it. And just like with this backdrop, I bought this backdrop from Hobby Lobby. It's a yard sheet. I put it up and boom, here we are. And as a result of that, you get great quality pictures for such a low price, and you don't have to invest a lot of money in photographers. And if you have an iPhone, if you have a good camera, set it up, do it yourself, figure it out, YouTube it, and it will save you a lot of money. I don't know about a lot of time because it takes a lot of time for you to even take the pictures, make sure you're getting the right angles. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys get inspired to go out and create and be consistent within your business, because ever since I started posting Monday through Saturday on my business page, I have gained at least 40 plus followers, and I have seen an increase in my sales. Make sure y'all check into my last video and see how I prepared to create this one month's worth of content, and basically all the tips that I use to get inspired and to create my mood boards. And hopefully this video has helped you out in any way. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications if you want to be notified every time I post a video. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.